みなさん、こんにちは。今日の言葉は食べ物です。今日の言葉は食べ物です。食べ物 means food. 食べ物は food です。Today we will practice これそれあれ。Remember これ this, それ that, and あれ that much more far than それ。So we will be practicing kore sore are with different types of food of Japan. I'm not an expert in it at all, but we will be seeing a few dishes of Japan and we will be practicing kore sore are and the particle wa and this. Just as a very quick review. Remember, this is the verb to be for those who are just starting. So this is the verb to be. And wa is the particle that we use to mark the topic of the sentence. What do I mean by the topic? If I will talk about watashi, I say watashi wa at the beginning of the sentence. If we'll talk about water, I will say mizu wa. If I talk about this, I will say kore wa. For example, kore wa keitai desu. This is a phone, a cell phone. So let's go. The first food we will practice is takoyaki. Takoyaki. I will put a picture of the takoyaki over here. 私はたこ焼きが大好きです。I love takoyaki. It's one of my favorite foods of Japan. So takoyaki are these balls here that you can see here, like little balls, very delicious. So basically takoyaki is some kind of pasta, well not pasta like Italian pasta, but some mixture that inside has taco. So taco is this over here, octopus, taco. So takoyaki, taco meaning octopus, and yaki coming from being burned or being like fried, burned, baked. So takoyaki. これはたこ焼きです。これはたこ焼きです。Second food that we will see today is the ramen. Ramen, I love ramen. Why is it written in katakana? You will be wondering. Nande? Why? Because actually ramen is not originally 100% from Japan. Ramen, you can also eat it in China and in Korea. So I do think ramen comes from China. So that's why it's written in katakana, as you can see over here. And sore, as you can see, I put it a little bit more for the picture. So sore, that. Sore wa ramen desu. So, ramen wa nan desu ka? What is ramen exactly? So you have the noodles inside and then you have a soup that is made with usually meat or miso. And this soup is boiled and stewed and done for like 12 hours, crazy hours. And it tastes very strong taste of soup. Soup usually doesn't have a very strong taste, but the ramen soup does. And you have also inside tamago. Tamago is an egg. And you have also the naruto. Naruto is like this a flour that is made from fish pasta. And you have, well, also meat, niku, and a lot of things. So ramen wa oishii desu. Ramen is very tasty. And I also like ramen a lot. So, それは ramen desu. Next one is tempura. あれは even more farther. あれは tempura です。tempura. That is tempura. So, tempura は何ですか? So, tempura is a type of fried that is done in Japan. You can have a lot of things in tempura. You can have like shrimp, ebi. I will put ebi over here, shrimp. You can have also vegetables in tempura. So, tempura is how the, let's say, fried is done. The fried. Hi, I hope that I explained it well. As I said, I'm no expert, but let's learn a few food vocabulary. So, あれは天ぷらです。次、next one. これは寿司です。そして、これは刺身です。多分皆さんはもう知ってるでしょ。Probably everybody knows what sushi is currently. So here we have the sushi and here we have the sashimi. So これは寿司です。これは刺身です。じゃあ、刺身は何ですか? What is sashimi? So sashimi is usually, well, it's quite always fish, 魚です。But it's not cooked, so it's fresh and it's cut very slim. So これは刺身です。And then we have the sushi. The sushi usually has rice, so it's 魚とご飯です。It's rice and fish. そしてもちろんもう一回 again, of course 私は寿司と刺身が大好きです。I love it. 次 next one それはカレーです。That is curry. それはカレーです。So kare again is written in katakana, as you can see below. Why is it written in katakana? Again, because it's not 100% original from Japan. I'm not sure where it came from. India, China, I have no idea. But usually the Japanese kare, it's done well with kare and also meat and vegetables. And then it's put in like this with rice. じゃあ、それはカレーです。This is curry. I never tried the Japanese curry. It's something that I would love to do. I did try the Indian one and I love it because I love spicy food and very strong taste food, but I didn't have the opportunity to try the kare. So here we have it. カレーです。はい、次。Next one. あれは So much more for あれはオムライスです。あれはオムライスです。はい。I have no idea where the omurice comes from. I think it's Japan, but I'm not sure at all. So, オムライスは何ですか? So, オムライス is basically rice that you cook before with sauce and 鶏肉, usually 鶏肉. 鶏肉 is chicken meat. So usually it has that and it has sauce, rice, 鶏肉 and vegetables. So you do that mixture and then you do a tortilla. That's basically you put egg removed on the fry pan and then you extend it. And when it's half done, you put the rice in it and then you put it together like a little, I don't know, bag. It's very cute. Usually you also put ketchup on it. I didn't never try the omuraisu, like Japanese omuraisu. I did do it by myself. I have no idea if that's original or not. I don't think so. But the recipes that I did, they basically the sauce that you put inside the rice was also ketchup. So I don't know exactly how the omuraisu Japanese person would do omuraisu, but that's how I know about it. And also very good. So あれはオムライスです。次、これはうどんです。This is udon. I'm no expert, like I said like 5 times already. But to my knowledge, udon are the noodles that are thicker than usual. So the udon noodles are thicker. And that would be the udon. これはうどんです。はい。Last but not least, それはアイスクリームです。Of course, アイスクリーム in katakana because it comes from English. アイスクリーム. It's not 100%, it's not Japanese food, let's say, but it's a word that it's very useful as a beginner, or it's a word that's, let's say, required as a beginner. So that's why we are checking it out. So これはアイスクリームです。もちろん私はアイスクリームが大好きです。Of course, I love ice cream. I love eating. 食べるのが大好きです。じゃあ、これはアイスクリームです。Hi, so I hope you liked today's word. 今日の言葉は食べ物です。So today we saw a few 食べ物, a few food in Japanese. So thank you so much for watching and see you in another video. じゃあ、またね。ありがとう。